And team, Jackie from Shepherd Filters here. Just thought I'd quickly send you a video on how we preload our frames rather than doing a Zoom call because of the time difference. So here goes nothing. Essentially, here's an example of one of our frames. These days China makes them for us with welded corners, and we have thicker mesh, so you'll see that product start to come through in the future as we import more and more to the UK. So once you see those, there is no longer going to be a need for a deburring tool, which is something that we used in the past just to deburr the edges. I'll show you how that's done to avoid anyone getting any cuts. And we also like to use one of these found in most toolboxes for the following reasons. So holding down firmly on the frame and lifting off the handle, or the outer frame from the handle, we would then proceed with the older frames that don't have welded corners, deburring each of the sides, making sure that they're not sharp anymore. And then we also, just with the hammer, with the two pop rivets, give it a little click to make sure that when we put the frame, the outer frame back on with the filter, that there's definitely no, I guess, argument between the two parts of the frame, especially now that there's a filter involved. Frames tend to be a bit tight at the beginning, but they loosen up with time. Filter goes on top. Frame gets placed evenly back over the inner frame, and there we go. That's basically the steps of what we do when we preload frames. And I've got a few examples of ones that we've done here earlier that go back in the box, ready for shipping out to customers. I hope this helps.